You showing off your business to the world? Is this dog porn now? Dog porn? Can we pose you? Oh yeah, baby. Should we do this?
Get that paw. That's a mean paw.
He's like, I don't want you my own paws. 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 Scared. Ah, Daddy, ah! Ah, Daddy, ah! We mean, Tayo. This is what we're gonna do to our children too, but probably far worse. Probably far worse. Be lucky. Be happy that we're not yet creative enough to be far worse with you. This is as bad as it's gonna get, probably. Hopefully.